Welcome to Boa Stock DIY Enclosure Builds. Customizing the perfect habitat for your boa constrictor. Are you a reptile enthusiast looking to provide the best possible habitat for your boa constrictor? Look no further. In this video, we will walk you through the process of creating a custom enclosure that perfectly suits your snake's needs. Join us as we explore the world of DIY boa enclosures and learn valuable tips and tricks along the way. Welcome back to Boa Stock DIY Enclosure Builds. Today, we are going to show you how to build the ideal habitat for your boa constrictor. Boas are remarkable creatures that require specific environmental conditions to thrive, and with our guidance, you can ensure your snake's comfort and well-being. Planning. The first step in creating a custom habitat is planning. Take some time to research and understand the needs of your boa constrictor. Consider factors such as temperature, humidity, space requirements, and potential growth. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, let's move on to the next step: gathering materials and tools. Now that you have a solid plan, it's time to gather the materials and tools for your boa enclosure. Some essential items you will need include a sturdy glass or PVC tank, substrate, heating elements, lighting fixtures, hiding spots, and branches for climbing. Make sure to choose materials that are safe and suitable for your snake. Setting up the habitat. Once you have all the necessary materials, it's time to set up the habitat. Begin by preparing the substrate, a combination of bedding and natural elements to create a comfortable, mimicry environment for your boa constrictor. Arrange the hiding spots, branches, and other decorations as per your snake's needs. Install the heating and lighting systems, ensuring they are properly positioned. Monitoring and adjusting. After completing the setup, it's crucial to monitor and adjust the habitat regularly. Use a thermometer and hygrometer to maintain the ideal temperature and humidity levels. Keep an eye on your boa's behavior and make adjustments if necessary. The key is to continuously provide a comfortable habitat that meets their specific requirements. Maintenance and cleaning. Lastly, maintenance and cleaning play a vital role in maintaining a healthy habitat for your boa constrictor. Regularly clean the enclosure, removing any waste or soiled substrate. Check for any signs of mold or mites, and promptly address any issues that may arise. By keeping the enclosure clean, you provide a stress-free environment for your snake. Congratulations! You have successfully built a custom habitat for your boa constrictor. By following the steps outlined in this video, you have created an environment that promotes the well-being and overall happiness of your snake. We hope this guide has been helpful to you on your DIY journey. Thank you for joining us at Boa Stock DIY Enclosure Builds. Remember to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more great content. Until next time, take care of your scaly friends. Congratulations! You have successfully built a custom habitat for your boa constrictor. By following the steps outlined in this video, you have created an environment that promotes the well-being and overall happiness of your snake. We hope this guide has been helpful to you on your DIY journey. Thank you for joining us at Boa Stock DIY Enclosure Builds. Remember to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more great content. Until next time, take care of your scaly friends.